There is another group of people. When I ask them that, who are you? What are you? They say, I'm Ahle Hadith. So I say, what is the meaning of Ahle Hadith? He said, we are the people of the Quran and the Sunnah, Quran and the Hadith. So I said, fine, makes sense. So I tell them, okay, fine, if you want to say Ahle Hadith, I would prefer calling myself Ahle Sahih Hadith. Because I only follow Quran and Sahih Hadith. There are other Muslims who even follow Zaif Hadith and Mawdu Hadith. I am a Ahle Sahih Hadith, if you want to call me something. See, Ahle Hadith means the other people, they follow Zaif Hadith, Mawdu Hadith, keeping hand below navel, no problem. So, they call themselves Ahle Hadith. No, I am Ahle Sahih Hadith, if you want to call. So I asked these people, that brother, you call yourself Ahle Hadith, means we are pakka following Quran and Sunnah. I said, very good. So I asked them the question, that which verse of the Quran, in which verse of the Quran did Allah say, call yourself Ahle Hadith? They say, we don't find any. Is there any Sahih Hadith in which the Prophet said, call yourself Ahle Hadith? No reply. So therefore, I don't call myself Ahle Hadith, I call myself Muslims, therefore I am a pakka Ahle Hadith. You all are kacha. 90%, 95%, maybe 98%. I am pakka Ahle Hadith. Ahle Sahih Hadith. It makes sense or not? When you say you follow Quran and Sahih Hadith, there is no Quranic verse in which Allah says, call yourself Ahle Hadith. There is no Sahih Hadith in which the Prophet said, call yourself Ahle Hadith.